One of my new favourites are ferns, and I've just started a fernery. Sounds a bit grand and it's very modest at the moment, but I'm here to seek advice. And Felicity, now your family firm, Bowdens, you seem very young to be doing this.
Well, I'm only 19. I've been exhibiting for a little while now, but yeah, it's wonderful to be able to be part of such a great business at such a young age.
Well, I've started it underneath an evergreen oak.
So that's what
And
we're looking
it's
for.
fairly dry under there, so to start off, I have been watering them. Is that quite right?
That's the key. So for the first year putting them in dry spaces, you want to water them basically as much as you can. Once they're established, you're all right then to go back to watering them once or so a week. They'll tolerate it a lot better after you've had them a little while.
What would you recommend for my modest fernery?
So I would definitely go for something evergreen that's shady. So we've got a Bleckenham Pennamarina here, and this will go really well. It'll spread, so it's a lovely border fern, and it'll cover the ground. And another one is this one, so Dryopteris erythrosaura, and this one is totally hardy, and it's got beautiful, beautiful gold frond. So it's supposed to look like this. It's not dying.
Well, they look very good. Here is what I call a maidenhair fern.
Yeah, so this is also called the southern maidenhair fern, but we call it Adiantum capillus veneris, and it's a really, really beautiful fern.
But what you don't tell me is it's very difficult. I have it in the bathroom, and if you forget to water it regularly, you've lost it.
That's the key. It's
What
so
advice?
hard. It's so hard to keep alive indoors. Stick it outdoors. It's only half hardy, so it'll go down to about -5 before it starts to perish. But take it out of your bathroom, put it in your garden.
I'll certainly do that. Do you think it'll come back?
I hope so. I imagine it will. They're pretty good, these are.